All right, if you wander on over to number 31, you'll see that what we have is a kite. Why is that? It's because here we have a pair of consecutive congruent sides, and here we have a second pair of consecutive congruent sides. That means it's a kite. What are the properties that we should know about kites? There's exactly one pair of congruent opposite angles in a kite. And which opposite angles will they be? The ones formed by the non-congruent sides. So that means 3x degrees will be equal to 48 degrees. This angle is congruent to this one. The second property we should know about kites is that the diagonals are perpendicular, but that property isn't used for number 31. For number 31, the non-congruent sides form angles, and those two opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, 3x is equal to 48, which means x must be 16 degrees. And therefore, 3 times 16 is 48 degrees, but we already knew that because they were congruent. And 9 times 16 is 144 degrees. But in problem number 31, they were asking us for the measure of angle 1. So every kite is a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrilateral. So the sum of the interior angles is 360 degrees. Again, the sum of the interior angles is the number of sides, which is 4, minus 2 times 180, which is 2 180s, which is 360. And therefore, 48 and 144 and 48 plus the measure of angle 1 must be 360. So 240 plus the measure of angle 1 is 360. Subtracting 240 from both sides, the measure of angle 1 is 120 degrees. And that's how you do number 31.